Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, if your Facebook memories options has suddenly disappeared or it's not showing your old post, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it. So, let's get started. So, firstly, open the settings app. Now, scroll down and click on the apps option. Now, click on Facebook. Click on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Now, go back to the home page. Now press on Facebook for few seconds. Click on eye icon. Now click on uninstall. Click on OK and open the Play Store app. Now at the bottom tap on the search icon and search for Facebook and install it again. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.